Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Mickky Pacheco to go behind bars soon. Supreme Court dismisses Pacheco's petition challenging his conviction. Imprisonment of 6 months on cards. Centre refuses additional kerosene quota for Goa. State has 151% LPG connection, says Centre. Tells state to procure kerosene at market rates. Helmet compulsory on all roads from 1st April. Transport Minister Sudin Davlekar yet to take decision on helmet compulsion for pillion riders. Pratap Singh Rane out from Board of Governors of Goa Institute of Management. GIM holds election for the board, brings down number from 22 to 7. And humiliation for Goa in BCCI Zonal 2020 Championship this season. Last year's winners, Goa finished last in South Zone. Goan cricket faces toughest period. Now the news in detail. Mickky Pacheco would be certainly in jail. Supreme Court had dismissed RDA Minister Mickky Pacheco's petition challenging the verdict of the High Court in Junior Engineer slap case. Mickky Pacheco might be behind the bars within few days. Earlier, the High Court had upheld the order of Assistant Sessions Court sentencing Mickky for 6 months imprisonment for assaulting Junior Engineer Kapil Natekar.
Supreme Court on Monday dismissed the special leave petition of RDA Minister Mickky Pacheco challenging the order of the High Court in Junior Engineer assault case. Mickky, in his petition before the Apex Court, had challenged the order of the High Court of Bombay at Goa dated 17 July 2014. The High Court had upheld the order of Madgaon Assistant Sessions Court, sentencing Mickky Pacheco for 6 months simple imprisonment and fine of 1,500 rupees.
It is dismissed. There are no reasons given. Order
next appeal करपाक chance असता आणि दुसऱ्या खंयच्याय
there could be review.
In July 2006, Mickky Pacheco, then Minister for Agriculture and Animal Husbandry, had called Electricity Department's Junior Engineer Kapil Natekar in his private office and had assaulted him. The High Court on 24 January 2013 took suo motu cognizance of the order of Additional Sessions Court, and Mickky had also filed petition before High Court challenging his conviction. But the High Court, in its judgment, had dismissed the petition of Mickky and had convicted him. When we asked Chief Minister whether Mickky would be dropped from cabinet, he said he would decide after studying the order.
I mean, let me go through the order. Let me go through the order. Let me analyze it. And I'm going to decide.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Centre has refused to raise kerosene quota for the state. Goa government had requested Union government to increase monthly quota of kerosene. However, central government in its reply has clearly mentioned that Goa has 151% LPG connections. Centre has asked the state government to identify bogus LPG connections and submit a report. Centre has also made it clear that state can procure kerosene if needed at non-subsidized rates.
In the year 2011-2012, Goa received 4,800 kilolitre of kerosene for 3 months. Civil Supplies Department distributed 1,600 kilolitre of kerosene per month. Later in 2012-13 year, Centre further reduced the quota to 1,308 litre for 3 months, which made the department to distribute only 436 kilolitre per month. 3,20,921 ration card holders are registered as kerosene consumers across the state. Of these, 1,95,707 have LPG connections, and remaining 1,25,214 are without LPG connections. Department distributes 3.5 litre kerosene to the ration card holder. Some kerosene quota is being supplied to the hawkers, crematoriums and other welfare institutions. Goa government requested the Ministry of Central and Natural Gas to increase kerosene quota up to 1,900 kilolitre. Meanwhile, Centre has stated that domestic LPG coverage in Goa is above 100%, that is 151%. Centre has asked Goa government to identify bogus LPG connections and to prepare a report of bogus connections. Till date, Centre has not received any report from Goa government. Centre has also made it clear that if Goa government wants to distribute kerosene more than 3.5 litres, then state government can procure kerosene at non-subsidized rates. Since 2012-13, Civil Supplies Minister Dayanand Mandrekar has been time and again assuring that the state would get more kerosene quota. But till date, Centre has clearly refused to raise the kerosene quota to the state till the issue of bogus LPG connections is settled. With Bureau Inputs, Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
It's not April Fool. Helmets are compulsory for riders from 1st of April on all roads. In 2014, total 290 motorcyclists died in accidents. Most of them were riding without helmets. Transport Minister Sudhin Dawlekar said that decision on compulsory helmet for pillion rider is yet to be taken.
रायडर असा तो सगळे रस्त्यार मागीर ते रुरल रोड आसूं मेजर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड आसूं डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड आसूं स्टेट हायवे आसूं किंवा नॅशनल हायवे आसूं किंवा इंटरनल सिटी रोड आसूं ह्या सगळ्या रोडार जो मेन रायडर आसा ताका 1 तारखेच्यान हेल्मेट कंपल्सरी. आमचे जे विभाग आसा एनफोर्समेंट विभाग हो सगळो विभाग कार्यान्वीत जातलो फूल स्विंग. पिलन रायडराचेर आतां हांव कांयच उलयना. पयलीं एक गोश्ट आमी हातांत घेतिल्ली आसा ती कंप्लीट करतले आनी मागीर दुसरे गोश्टी आमकां यंग जे जनरेशन आसा ते 50% ह्या एक्सिडेंटान इनवॉल्व आसा. जे लोक मेले ताजे 70% हे मोटरसायकल चलयता ते लोक मेल्या आनी चडशे लोक हेड इंजुरी जावन मेल्ले आसा.
Pratap Singh Rane has been out of Board of Directors of Goa Institute of Management. Late evening reports say that the institute decided to hold election for the board. Unconfirmed reports say that the number of directors have been brought down to 7 from present 22. Many have expressed surprise as Pratap Singh Rane had majorly contributed in setting up of the institute at Sankli. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.